Hello and welcome. My name is Manav Kohli, and I'll be talking about our work on open access full duplex wireless in the Cosmos testbed. Full duplex wireless, where devices may communicate simultaneously on the same frequency channel, has the potential to increase data rates and wireless spectrum efficiency. To improve accessibility to experimentation in full duplex, we integrated 4 full duplex radios based on a transceiver design from the Columbia Flexicon project in the open access city-scale Cosmos testbed. The primary challenge for full duplex is the presence of self-interference in the received signal. The integrated full duplex radios use a design based on the principle of frequency domain equalization to provide 50 decibels of self-interference cancellation across 20 MHz of bandwidth. 4 such radios based on this so-called Generation 2 design are integrated in Cosmos Sandbox 2. As we can see on the bottom of the slide, the canceller circuit board is integrated with other components before the complete canceller box is integrated with a software-defined radio. The architecture of the sandbox is shown on the right, showing how the Generation 2 cancellers are connected to the various software-defined radios and remote access compute resources located in the sandbox. Alongside the hardware, we also provide example full duplex experiments. An example experimental result is this graph of packet reception against signal-to-noise ratio for a half-duplex and full-duplex packet link. We can see that the optimal 2 times packet rate gain in full-duplex mode is achieved when there is sufficient signal-to-noise ratio. So now we can have a look at a demo of using the experiments in the testbed. Right now I'm on my local machine and I'm logging into the Cosmos Sandbox 2 console after making a reservation through the webpage. Once I'm logged into the console, I can log into the remote access compute node which controls the full duplex radios. Once I'm logged in there, I can CD to the correct directory and start GNU Radio. After starting GNU Radio, a window will show up which shows the experiment of the flow graph that's currently loaded in. This particular flow graph is for the OFDM full duplex packet link. After pressing play, the experiment GUI will show up, and here we are seeing the decoded packet data received at each radio. Note that these radios are sending packets at the same time on the same frequency and hence operating in full duplex mode. We can also have a look at the received signal spectrum as well as the taps used in the digital self-interference cancellation filter as shown here. Shown here are a couple of links, the first of which takes you to the Cosmos website and the second of which will take you to the full duplex tutorial which describes in detail the steps taken to replicate the demo that was shown just before. Thank you very much for your time.